2,000 years ago, Jesus told us that we are a city on a hill and the light of the world. Now, more than ever, the world needs the church to be a light in the darkness, a beacon of hope, a place to belong. All around us, neighbors, family, friends are desperately searching for a refuge in the wilderness, for an anchor in the storm, for a place to belong. It's time to show them who the church really is. Welcome them in, welcome them back, because it's who we are. It's who we were always meant to be. Let's remind the world that they matter to God, no matter what they've been through, no matter how far they feel from faith. No conditions, no judgment, just love. And that this is truly a place to belong.